I made an oopsie. You're coming to save me, right? You ready for this?
So sad.
Possibly make a new video. A very unexpected video, but my M has been having some problems. My paddle shifters are not working. My car decides to shift on its own. I don't know what it is, but it's terrifying, and I haven't really heard of this problem or see it anywhere online, so I'm gonna try and find a solution, and I'll keep you guys posted in case anybody else has this problem. What we're thinking it might be is just the sensors in the paddle, see, will not downshift, only will downshift with my actual gear shifter. But it also decides to downshift on its own sometimes, which is the scariest part. I'll be just driving and out of nowhere it'll downshift from third into second into first very quickly, and it's like not really much I can do but back up shift with the shifter. But the paddles aren't working, as you can tell. I just clicked it, nothing happens. We ordered a new set in case it's just the wiring or the sensors in the actual shifter, but been terrifying driving this, like actually. So, this is my girl math right now. I felt like I dropped something, but I guess it didn't. So, we are having problems with my paddle shifters, but I'm about to call Paulo. This is what PPF is for, so that I can do this. Nice and steady. So basically, I'm going to be taking my paddle shifters off so that I can make it to BP, because this is getting really, really bad to the point where I'm driving in 6th gear and it's downshifting into first, which is absolutely not okay to be doing that. But yeah, I'm gonna be taking my wheel apart. I have to disconnect the battery first so the airbag doesn't come out, because I'm going to be taking the airbag out, and then I'll be unscrewing the shifters so that I can A, drive without shifters, or put my stock ones on. I have to disconnect the battery. So now we're going to call Paulo. Let's see if he picks up. Mr. Mechanic! We've got to fix this issue. But we are loosening the nut now.
So we can move it around and then remove it.
It seems pretty loose.
Yeah, so move it around and then...
Alright, now for the interior part. Paula's training me to be the best mechanic out there. Alright, that was a struggle, but now I got the airbag out. I was struggling to find the clips with the screwdrivers, but now we have it out. Now I'm going to disconnect it so that we can take the airbag out, and then I'll be taking the paddles out. We have disconnected it. Now what happens?
Now, you see the blue connectors?
On the bottom, yeah, with the red.
On each side, unplug it.
We're working with here.
Disconnecting
these and those. So our solution for now is just unplugging these wires, because we think that's what's setting off the shifting. But I just tuck it in and then put the airbag back. Let's that is in, and then
it was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
I made an oopsie. You're coming to save me, right?
Huh?
I made an oopsie. You're coming to save me, right? Last time they waited 3 hours, so I'm gonna make it different this time, and I'm gonna make it done faster. All right, let me check if I have jumper cables.
All right, bye.
Well, rescue, so we're gonna connect it and hopefully give it some power. Let's see. Hopefully give it some power to be able to open my hood and reconnect the battery, and then take this to be unplugged to put new paddles in. But yeah, a Wordle fried. You ready for this? This is kind of crazy work. You jumpstart an M4 with an M4. Well, I have now connected positive, negative, about to connect his to his battery, and then hopefully give some life so that I can open the trunk and head to Beamer Plug to fix my paddle problem. But yeah.
Yeah.
So we have stuck it there now.
Oh! Ah! Be careful.
That's normal. Now I'm just tightening this nut. Tightening the battery down so that bad boy don't go nowhere. And then we'll pop this piece. Did you pop your piece back in?
Not yet.
Hopefully the car still starts. I'm just kidding. Well, shit. Yeet.
So, did you learn to listen?
I think M4s are the best cars ever. Sad moment to be adding this to the vlog, but so tragic. So sad. At least it somewhat made it up. Literally have not slept. The sun is coming out, and my poor baby is looking a little sad right now. But, I'm so tired. I just want to go sleep. This will be today, tomorrow's problem, but probably just leave it right here and jack it up, take it to the shop, remount it, bring it back, whatnot. I feel like this shit never ends with me. Like how, bro? How, bro? How? It never ends with me. Do you hate me yet? Huh? Do you hate me yet? Well, time to get tools and figure this shit out. I think we're stacking my tools incident by incident now.
I'm not gonna say anything. I'll stay quiet about it.
It's okay, you guys. This is what happens when you When you have cars. When you have cars. This is what you go through. It's a learning experience, though, you know?
But it's like licking?
It's a run flat. It's go time, boys. Time to get this. Ass deep. Let's just hope nothing else is bad on this. It's so sad. Might need a new diffuser from the toe. He won't let me do it. I want to do it. I want to.
Got me working on a Sunday too.
God's work. God's work for God's favorite child. I don't think I am, honestly. I'm Nikki, the girl the tow truck company made wait 5 hours on a night where everyone already lost an hour of sleep. I lost 5, but gained one more problem to sort through. I'm wrecked is what I am. I'm the lug holder.
Menace.
The menace. The tragedy.
How?
It flew off.
How?
It flew off. And then
I've been drifting for years, doing all the stupid shit. This never happened to me. And then all of a sudden, boom.
This is why you get PPF, dude. That's a tragedy.
4S's?
We want this one, actually.
Nah.
This one has a lot of trouble.
For the...
But you know what they don't have?
It's a baby one.
Do you know what they don't have?
What?
An orange one. You wanna go swimming?
Yeah. Wash your hands.
You think I should run one of those? Like 210? 30, 20?
Yeah, she'll be fine.
All good. Well, we have come up from a 285 to attempt a 295.
Not attempt. It's gonna fit. It is gonna fit.
Free onion. Free onion. You came to Starbucks and got free onion. Onion. Back to the Whippa brother. Let's see. I think he's excited to do this, brother. We made a pit stop for juice. But, go time, I guess. This is why we emphasize PPF right here, because you guys, I got really lucky with this, but look, it's literally just coming right off. Just takes a little bit of cleaning, but PPF is the move. And we're back again to do the other side. I forgot my spacer here, so we're gonna have to put the spacer on the other side, but they're gonna do that for me real quick. Fix my poor baby. So sad. This one demolished, but we put the new one on. Now I'm gonna be running 295, so we'll see if that does it any better, any justice. Gonna need to fix my diffuser because of the toe. But yeah, finish cleaning that up. Hopefully this is nice and pretty on the 295s. This one does not have the spacer on, so it looks about good.
2 hours later.
Now I'm the odd one out with my M4 at home. Tragic. But it's okay. One GTS slip. Another GTS slip. Like how? Huh?
What does that mean, Nikki?
I don't know, you tell me.
Wow. Nice.
That's my car and my paddles getting absolutely demolished and my life getting absolutely demolished, but Welcome to the channel. Welcome back, Crib. Everything's a-okay.
Welcome to my life.
The lighting right now, low key, is insane though. You guys want a little peeker of what is happening? Let's see. We've got one GTS. It's like another GTS. Dude, this view is crazy. Made it back to the secret location. It's my anxiety. We've gotten the tire back to life. She's driving again. But, do you want me to go step on your lip? Got her back to life. Got most of the marks off. I don't know if you guys can see there. Probably gonna need a new diffuser from the toe. She's got all messed up, but we put 295s on now instead of 285s. It is what it is, you know, life happens. But that's what happens when you're a dum-dum. Tire got cooked. Car's okay. That's all that matters.
Car's
Hey.
cooked, tires cooked, car's dirty, wheels dirty, tires dirty. No tire shine.
Hey, to be fair, I washed the car before it all happened, so...
I don't look like it. I love your car, yeah.
Rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. Rate it.
No, it's a 10, yeah.
I can blame the toe for my diffuser. What are you gonna blame for your front lip? Driver mod not available. So now, we're gonna install frameless mounts because when everything goes wrong, why not? First things first. Parts on parts on parts. This little... Get rid of... It's so dirty. Don't look at my bin. Now this comes off. Damn, I haven't taken this off since I PPF'd the car. We can, nasty! Nice little PPF wiper. Crusty ass fingers and no nails now. Yeah, is this going successful? I think I'm a certified mechanic now.
Tuning.
On to the next.
Oh,
Butter.
that's easy.
I'm gonna make my fingers even.
Chill.
But shout out Frameless Mounts. I'm gonna put their logo right here. Imagine I'm just like pointing to this guy. But yeah, highly recommend because when you guys are out and about and you want to switch it out, so, you know, for pictures, you just swap it out like that. Easy, butter. And that, my friends, is your tutorial of what to do when things go wrong. Look forward towards Frameless Mounts.